Good morning, children. Today we will be reading lesson number 2 from the book. But before that, let us revise the dictation words of lesson number 1. Okay, so here are the dictation words of lesson number 1. First one, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Second, S-I-N-G, sing. S-I-N-G, sing. Then P-A-T, pat. P-A-T, pat. Next, C-A-N, can. C-A-N, can. T-O-2, T-O-2. Now, today we will be reading lesson number 2, part 1. This is phonic practice and lesson number 2, part 1. Okay, children? Now, let's do the phonic practice. Phonic practice. Now, children, tell me, can you see some letters written over here? Yes? Okay, so now we will be learning the phonic sound of these letters. Okay? A, R, F, P, A, T, pot. D, pod. R, D, rod. K, A, T, cot. K, A, D, cord. H, A, P, hop. Now here, sound and say words. N, O, D, nod. S, O, D, sword. R, A, N, ran. N, O, T, not. H, O, T, hot. R, A, T, rat. T, O, P, top. P, O, P, pop. F, A, N, fan. D, O, T, dot. O, N, on. F, A, T, fat. So all of you understood, children? Yes? Okay. So now we will be reading lesson number 2, part 1. But before that, let's do the new words of this lesson. Okay, children? Okay, now tell me, what is this? Yes, gift. What is this? Gift. G-I-F-T, gift. G-I-F-T, gift. Who is he? Yes? Father. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. Who is she? Yes, mother. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. M-O-T-H-E-R, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Who is he? Tell me. Yes, Pat. P-A-T, Pat. P-A-T, Pat. Who is she? Yes, girl. What is the name of this girl? Anne. What is the name of this girl? Anne. A-N-N, Anne. A-N-N, Anne. Oh wow, what is this? Yes? Top. Yes. T-O-P, top. T-O-P, top. Okay. So children, once again we will drill the dictation words of lesson number 2 part 1. Okay children? Now first you are going to listen to the teacher. Okay? P-A-T, Pat. P-A-T, Pat. A-N-N, Anne. A-N-N, Anne. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. C-O-M-E, come. C-O-M-E, come. F-O-R, for. F-O-R, for. T-H-E, the. T-H-E, the. T-H-A-N-K-Y-O-U, thank you. T-H-A-N-K-Y-O-U, thank you. G-I-F-T, gift. G-I-F-T, gift. T-O-P, top. T-O-P, top. C-O-T, cot. C-O-T, cot. Okay. Now children, here you are going to repeat after teacher. Okay. Lesson number 2, part 1, dictation words. P-A-T, pat. P-A-T, pat. A-N-N, Anne. A-N-N, Anne. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. C-O-M-E, come. C-O-M-E, come. F-O-R, for. F-O-R, for. T-H-E, the. T-H-E, the. T-H-A-N-K-Y-O-U, thank you. T-H-A-N-K-Y-O-U, thank you. G-I-F-T, gift. G-I-F-T, gift. T-O-P, top. T-O-P, top. C-O-T, cot. C-O-T, cot. So all of you understood children? Yes? Okay. So now let's revise the punctuations. Okay. Now children tell me, what is this? Which punctuation is this? Full stop. Yes, full stop. Full stop means the sentence has completed. The sentence has completed. What is this? Comma. Comma means we have to take a pause. Question mark. Question mark means we are going to ask like a question. We are going to say like a question. Okay, all of you understood? Yes? Okay. This is lesson number 2 part 1. Now children, here you are going to listen to the teacher. Okay, you are going to listen to the teacher. Gifts for Pat and Anne. Come, come, come. Come to Mother Pat. Come to Mother Anne. Pat ran to Mother. Anne ran to Mother. Mother has a top for Pat. Mother has a cot for Anne. Thank you, Mother, for the top. Thank you, Mother, for the cot. Okay. So now, children, here teacher has written some point number in front of each sentence to make you to read easily. As I will put the dot, you are going to keep your finger, you are going to put your finger and you have to read the sentence. Okay, all of you understood? Yes. So now see here at the top left side corner, what is there? Date. Teacher has written the date. Okay. So 24/7/2020 means 24 means date. Okay. 7 means July. 7 means month. July. And 2020 means year. So 24 July 2020. 24 is date, 7 is month and 2020 is year. All of you understood? Yes. So now we will start with our reading. Lesson number 2, part 1. Gifts for Pat and Anne. Now move your finger to point number 1. But here you are not going to read point number. Directly you are going to read the sentence. Okay children? Come, come, come. Now move your finger to point number 2. Come to Mother Pat. Now move your finger to point number 3. Come to Mother Anne. Now move your finger to point number 4. Pat ran to Mother. Now move your finger to point number 5. Anne ran to Mother. Now move your finger to point number 6. Mother has a top for Pat. Now move your finger to point number 7. Mother has a cot for Anne. Now move your finger to point number 8. Thank you, Mother. So now see here children, here the sentence has not completed. Okay, so we are going to continue with the same sentence. Okay, so come down for the top. Now move your finger to point number 9. Thank you, Mother. Now here also the sentence has not completed. Okay. So we are going to continue with the same sentence. So now down for the cot. So all of you understood children? Yes? Okay. So children, did you understand the lesson? Okay, let's see, okay. Who is she? Mother, yes. Who is he? Pat. And who is she? Anne. Now tell me what mother is giving to Pat and Anne? Yes? Gift. Okay, mother is giving gifts to Pat and Anne. Okay, so what mother gave to Pat? Yes? Top. Mother has given top to Pat. And for Anne, what mother has given to Anne? Cot. Mother has given cot to Anne. So tell me children, what did they say to mother after taking the gifts? Yes? Thank you. Yes, they said thank you to mother. We should always say thank you when somebody is giving something. Okay children? Yes. So all of you understood the lesson? Yes? Okay. So now children, let's see quick recap of this lesson. Now here some questions are there, okay? Question number 1. Who ran to mother? Tell me children, who ran to mother? Pat and Anne ran to mother. Yes. Question number 2. Who has a top for Pat? Who has a top for Pat? Yes, mother has a top for Pat. Very good. Question number 3. Who has a cot for Anne? Tell me children, think. Mother has a cot for Anne. Very good. Who said thank you to mother? Yes. Who said thank you to mother? Pat and Anne said thank you to mother. Okay. Very good. Children, this is red and blue line notebook page. Okay. So here lesson number 2 part 1 dictation words are written. So first one is P-A-T pat. A-N-N Anne. M-O-T-H-E-R mother. F-A-T-H-E-R father. C-O-M-E come. F-O-R for. T-H-E the. T-H-A-N-K-Y-O-U thank you. G-I-F-T gift. T-O-P top. C-O-T cot. So children, you are going to practice these words. You are going to learn these words at home. And you are going to practice reading lesson number 2 part 1 also. Okay children, daily you are going to practice reading. Then only you can read the lesson. Understood? Yes? Okay. Thank you children. Bye bye. We will meet in the next session. Bye.